In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Grammarly extension on your Google Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get Grammarly extension, you need to go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. And from here, go over to this ellipsis and click on it and look for extensions option, and under it, choose Visit Chrome Web Store. Now here you can look for your extension down below, but if you can't see it, then go ahead and search for your extension by name. So I'll go ahead and just search for Grammarly, and you can see it is here. So go ahead and tap on it. Now to know that is the right app, make sure it is from Grammarly. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.5 from over 43,000 reviews. To get it, go ahead and click on Add to Extension and then choose Add to Extension here. Now this will go ahead and download your extension, as you can see here. And now we can see our Grammarly extension is ready for installation. Now if you open a new tab and click on this sign, this is an extension sign. If you click on it, now you should see we have Grammarly as one of your extensions. Go ahead and click on Manage Extensions. And here you can see now you have your Grammarly extension installed, added to your browser. You can see further details of this extension and you can adjust the settings as you wish. So once you have installed, now Grammarly extension will be active and in use on your Chrome browser. So that's how you can install Grammarly extension on your Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.